The atmosphere here is like, you feel like home. Like the family around, you are greeting and you're just having fun.
I like Yangoversity so much. It's very inspiring and full of energy, and the place where the people come together with their ideas, with their projects. It's very inspiring.
I really enjoyed the session with external speakers because there were entrepreneurs from Azerbaijan, Turkey, and Morocco. So those guys came here specifically to talk with Yango people.
They give you a sense of the entrepreneurial culture and gives you an opportunity to learn from the experiences of different people who have done great in different countries. So there's a lot to borrow from them that you can apply for something of your own.
The only one thing that helps everyone grow here at Yangoversity is that collaboration between different parts of business. You can come here and understand the different approaches in different regions.
So when you see somebody's success, some countries or some business unit success, it inspires you a lot. So you also want to go higher and higher.
I'm taking back a lot of smiles, memories, and the best experience.
Just be open-minded, try to come with the fullest of your energy and just invest this energy into this environment, and this environment will give you back even more.